Hi, Garden Gems, the determined gardener here. Do I have a video for you? Do I have a video for you? This is the time when lots of stores are clearing their shelves. I mean, clearing their shelves of discount plants. And we're talking about more than 50% off. And I know you have been eyeing some of those plants, but I am going to take it a step further. I am on a mission to revive the worst plant on the shelf. That's right. I'm going to look for the worst plant and bring it back to life. And better yet, I am going to bring you along with me. So let's get shopping. So guys, we made it to, a very popular store, Lowe's, to look for some of the worst discount plants for me to bring it back to life now. Full disclaimer, I said one of the worst. I did not say dead, okay? I cannot bring dead things back to life. I do not have that type of Holy Spirit. What we're looking for are plants that are near dead, that just need that extra TLC. So we're going to go inside and find some of these plants that we're going to bring back to life, give that little TLC, tender loving care. Here we are, we reached the clearance section. All those wonderful plants on sale. We have this price item, and I can say right here, you can get 50% off plants. Some of them go as low as $1. That's right, $1. But we are not searching for the cheapest plant. We are searching for one of the worst plants. So I'm going to give you a look at what we have. And actually, their selection is pretty good. Take a look. All of this stuff is on sale, and a lot of them look really, really good. I mean, I'm gonna have a hard time trying to find a plant that I need to bring back to life. We have this lemon plant right here. Lots of stuff is still green, $34.98. Now that's half price. We got some daylilies. Take a look at the daylilies. Wow, get yourself down here and get your discount plants because they are on full sale and they are looking really good. So you can see lots of plants are in good shape. Okay, so we got hosta, that doesn't look so bad. A strawberry, if you want some strawberries this year, if you haven't planted your strawberries, they got strawberries. This container is $46.98. Let me take it out. That doesn't look too bad. You can see the strangly leaves, but we are looking for one that really needs help. So that is easy. Let's go around and see what they have. Lots more plants on sale. Sweet potato vine. Okay, we're still looking. We're still looking, guys. What do you think? What do you think? This is a salvia on discount, $17.98. Okay, here we go. Here we go. This one's looking pretty bad. Whoa. Take a look. Listen to the crispiness of that. Whoa, this is in pretty bad shape. Yeah, take a look at that. Yeah, this is a coneflower. Somebody forgot to water this. Oh my God, this would definitely end up in the basura. Basura means garbage in Spanish. Yes, this would end up in the basura if I did not save this. Now, this is half price, so I think this is $5. So we have our first candidate. I think I may be bringing this home to save it. So we're gonna put it right here. I'm not gonna go for the house plants. I'm really more just going for the outdoor plants. So we got a coneflower right here. Let's continue searching. And lots of these coneflowers are not in very good shape. Coneflowers are really great. They come back every year. I'm on a search for, let's see. Did see something else. I'm going to go around. Oh, we have another one right here too. That's not good at all, but this one has blooms. We'll pass on that one. We're looking. Oh, here is another one. Are we back? Yeah, look at how dry the leaves are. I'm gonna go in the shade so you can see what I'm talking about. Look at that. Very crusty, very dry. Because I want to get different types of plants. I don't want the same plant. So I think this is another one that I'm going to get. This one is also $10.98 and it's half price. Yes, look at all the dry leaves. They're not dead, they just need a little TLC. So we got a coneflower here and we got Rebecca. So I was able to find a cart. I'm gonna put it in my cart. So right now, I think let's look at the price list. 50% off, so it's $7 that we're paying for that. Maybe we can get an even deeper discount since it's so bad. So guys, since we are at Lowe's, I'm just gonna check out some of the better looking plants that they still have that are not on sale. You can see this one is, where is this stuff is? Hibiscus for $27.98. These are hibiscus. It comes in different colors. I have a beautiful hibiscus at home, a midnight grail. It has these beautiful red, dark flowers with the dark leaves. And you can see right here, this is crepe myrtle. You've been seeing them all over. They're very popular in the warmer climates. These are beautiful, beautiful flowers. They come out every year, every season, and they have different colors: pink, purple, blue. Absolutely spectacular. This is the variety I have. It's dark with the dark leaves and the hot pink flower. I'll show you in my garden when I get home. But mine is about maybe 3 years, so mine has just started to bloom. So guys, giving you a last look before I leave, because I have to go home and take care of these distressed plants. So Garden Gems, we are finally home, and we're gonna start with the worst plant, this one. Just listen to the crunch. That's how dry it is. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is you want to examine the plant to make sure that there's no bugs inside. So that's exactly what I already did. You can even take it out and see if it has really viable roots. And this one has really good roots. It just needs a lot of watering. And I'm pressing down on it, and it's very firm. It should be soft to the touch, but it's hard. So that's an indication that this plant needs water. So what we're going to do with this plant, we're going to do a very hard trim. That's right, a hard trim. So we're going to get rid of all these dead leaves as much as possible. And right now it's not hurting the plant because the plant really needs this to revive itself. Anything that is old and spent, just get rid of it because it's not going to help the plant in the first place. So we want to get it down to the bare bones. And guys, I did change my scissors because my scissors was a little dull. And right now I am battling the mosquitoes out here. You can't see it, but I'm trying so hard to give you this video. Oh, right here inside, really, look at that. Look at that. It's just really moist and yucky. So we're gonna get rid of all that. So guys, this is what's left of it. That's right. This was indeed the worst clearance plant on the rack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant this. I'm not going to leave it in the pot because it's not going to survive. But we're going to work on this one, and I'm going to show you how to revive this pretty bad beaten plant. Let's get to it. So guys, what you want to do is get rid of anything that is old. So we're going to snip all the buds that are dried up. That way it's going to revive the plant and even some of the leaves. So that's what I'm going to do right now. This is a Rebecca, so this loves to grow. And I'm going to keep this one in a pot so I can show you in a later video what it looks like. And it's really important that you get really sharp shears. I need some new ones, as you can see. But so far this is looking not too bad. Guys, this is the finished product. And what you're going to do is then water, and water thoroughly. Give it a good, nice soaking through and through. And then what you want to do is you don't want to fertilize this because it's already stressed out. What you want to do is put it in a spot where it's going to get morning sun and afternoon shade. You also want to avoid putting this in full sun because full sun right now is not the best for this plant because again, this is on clearance and it is still very stressed out. So if you put it in full sun, what you'll do is stress it out some more. So you want to just leave it alone and keep it in an area where it's getting partial shade. So guys, what I'm going to do is plant this on camera. You can see I took it out of the pot and I'm just loosening up the roots. You can see I dug a hole, and what I'm gonna do is just put it in there, make sure it's a little bit deeper. And this is going to take a while. This obviously is not going to grow video, but I will be showing you the results right here. And this is going to be way better than keeping it in a pot, because it's going to get all the nutrients it needs from the ground. And that way the roots will be able to spread. And now you're going to water. So this is still viable. This is still good. So it's going to take a while, as I said, but it will eventually look like this. And I got this. I was able to bargain. This was $7. I got this. The clerk gave it to me for $1 because it was so bad. And now we're going to put the Rudbeckia in a spot where it gets a morning sun and afternoon shade. And this is my flower basket. I have a video on how I trimmed this flower basket and brought it back to life, so you're going to want to check out that video too. Yeah guys, crazy wind today. Look at my oh my god, look at what happened. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get my husband to fix this, but you're taking a look at my hydrangea, tree. Isn't it beautiful? Guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. Check out, stay tuned to make sure that you see the follow-up to what the plant looks like. But again, subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and don't forget, happy gardening everyone. Bye-bye.